Okay, this is just one of the other confusing things that people led me in for my YouTube job. I mean, they were like, if you remember a dash in a candy bar, you might not be saved. How is that related to scripture? I mean, investigation. And then if you gotta be within this binary system. It says, no, you don't. Okay, well, I guess I'm showing my face, because isn't that the big thing? Go show your face if you're the heretic. Here it is, my mustache and all. Woo! And then we're supposed to assume dinosaurs are not real because there's fossils and that doesn't wrap up neatly with the 6,000 year philosophy. I mean, it's just so confusing.